I was born as Carlos Cowington, once a rancher in rural Alaska. In 1940, then turned to a conservationist. While investigating illegal drilling in the sandhills, I discovered an ancient cave containing glowing petroglyphs of a mythical guardian. When I touched the glyphs, I was cursed with the spirit of the grazing guardian, protector of balance between land, wildlife, and humanity, which helped me turn into the bovine titan. I would later recruit my sidekick, Little Hoof, a young calf with extraordinary powers who was born in a sanctuary dedicated to protecting endangered species, raised by the National Wildlife Federation. Hoof developed a strong bond with the land and its creatures, which made me think she was deserving to have the powers as well. One of my powers consists of ecosystem restoration. I have the ability to heal and restore damaged ecosystems, grasslands, and wetlands. I can reverse desertification and restore biodiversity by promoting the growth of native plants and vegetation, ensuring habitats for wildlife are sustainable. The Fish and Wildlife Service is dedicated to preserving and restoring wildlife habitats. My abilities to restore ecosystems directly correlates with the FWS's efforts in habitat restoration and protection of endangered species and ecosystems. My other power that I have is wildlife sanctuary creation. I can create temporary wildlife sanctuaries by rapidly growing protective plant life, such as tall grasses and dense shrubs, to shield animals from predators, poachers, or environmental disasters, like wildfires, for example. These sanctuaries provide refuge for endangered species. The FWS manages wildlife refuges and sanctuaries, ensuring that animals have safe spaces to thrive. My ability to create safe zones directly supports this role by offering refuge in times of crisis. And lastly, but not least, my last power, which is the bovine titan form. In times of extreme danger, I can transform into a powerful muscular form inspired by the bison, a symbol of America's wilderness. This form grants me immense strength and resilience, enabling me to protect wildlife and their habitats from destructive forces, akin to the service's role in protecting national wildlife refuges. And one of my villains that I have is named Victor Steele. The Industrial Devastator represents the dark side of unchecked progress and greed. His battle against me, the Grazing Guardian, is more than just a fight for survival. It is a war for the soul of the land itself. My agency alone has 8,000 dedicated to the agency,